Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Rummy Circle app. First, download the Rummy Circle app from your device's app store or the official website. Next, register for a new account using your mobile number or email. It's a simple process that takes just a few moments. After registration, complete the quick verification steps to secure your profile and ensure a smooth gaming experience. You'll be ready to play in no time. Rummy Circle offers several exciting game formats to explore. You can choose from popular options like Points Rummy, Pool Rummy, and Deals Rummy, each offering a unique challenge. If you are new, start with free practice games to understand the rules and refine your strategy without any risk. Once you feel confident in your abilities, you can then join cash games or participate in thrilling tournaments to test your skills against other players. Playing Rummy on the app involves arranging your 13 cards into valid sets and sequences. Your primary goal is to form at least 2 sequences, with one being a pure sequence, to make a valid declaration. During your turn, you will pick a card from either the open or closed deck, and then discard an unwanted card. The game is all about strategic thinking and quick decision-making to achieve a winning hand. Managing your funds on Rummy Circle is straightforward and secure. You can easily deposit money into your account using a variety of trusted payment methods available within the app. When you win, withdrawing your earnings is just as simple. Your winnings can be transferred directly to your bank account after a quick verification process. Should you need any help, customer support is readily available through live chat or email.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.